You want the best for your residents, and that starts with fast, reliable internet. With Dobson Fiber, they'll get just that. Here's what you can expect when we install service at your multi-dwelling property. Before we begin, our team works with you to review building layouts, identify entry points, and create a plan that minimizes disruption. We'll confirm locations for fiber equipment and ensure the design fits your property's needs. Next, we bring the fiber line from our network into your building. This could involve connecting to a main telecom or utility room. Our crews work efficiently and safely, keeping common areas clean and accessible. Inside, we extend the fiber infrastructure through existing conduits or pathways to reach a designated connection point for each unit. We coordinate with you on access times and maintain a professional, low-impact presence throughout the process. Our technicians will also complete in-unit installations. This includes connecting the fiber, setting up equipment, and ensuring each resident has fast, secure internet service from day one. After installation, Dobson Fiber provides 24/7 technical support for you and your residents. With Dobson Fiber, your property is future-ready, your residents stay connected, and you gain a valuable amenity that sets your community apart. Dobson Fiber, building stronger connections.